the next award, ladies and gentlemen. This one's a new one for 2015. It is the Best Music Education Product Award, and it will be presented to a physical product that's giving new opportunities and possibilities to the effectiveness of learning. The finalists in this category are Howarth's Junior MX Clarinet with Simple Fit Mouthpiece and Ligature Set. It's a lovely tongue twister for me, that one. Sonic Pie for Raspberry Pi. These all sound delicious. The 4-hole Oc from the Ocarina workshop. The Clip Hits from Korg. And the Boss RC 505 Loop Station. Now, this award, ladies and gentlemen, goes to a product that combines creative potential, ease of use, affordability, and practicality. To announce this winner, please welcome Paul McManus, Chief Executive of the Music Industries Association.
Thank you very much. This was a very tough one, particularly as I know all the people that make these products. But the winner is the 4-hole.